from 4 p.m. This is bike for rent, including already helmet. It's big, and for children also have. For children it's small. Also have different kind of bike for children. Even this. I will check how much.
Pareho lang din ba naman, hoy? Pareho lang din naman.
825.
Also can pay Gcash.
Yun na lang.